This is your page number 41, Tornarak. In the western part of Balochistan and over most of Punjab and Sindh, there are very few forests. The climate is too dry and the soil not very fertile in Balochistan for much vegetation. These areas contain thorny hardwood trees such as the acacia, kikar, and tamarisk. The vegetation here survives despite the low rainfall and poor soil in the area. Now, mangroves forests are found in the south of Pakistan, along the coast, and in the delta area of the river Indus. Mangroves do not grow very tall because of the salty water, but they do provide a home and sources of food for different kinds of marine life. Mangroves also protect the coastal area from erosion, natural disasters such as tidal waves due to storms and tsunamis. Mangroves, because of their usefulness, are a protected plant species.